The universe remains silent, not because it is empty, but because it is waiting. In this cold, lightless coordinate, the heartbeats of forgotten gods begin to pulse. One by one, they emerge from the shadows of eternity. Behold the giants forged of iron and memory, the divine assembly. They have crossed the eons, not for conquest, but for a reason to exist. Look closely at the ribs of these steel behemoths. Every curve, every bolt is a mathematical prayer carved into the void. A masterpiece of cosmic architecture, where vector logic meets the sublime. Within this infinite expanse of 1 trillion cold calculations, a single, fragile spark flickers, the human intuition. Dreaming of the edge of existence with a mere 20 watts of power. Are we merely slaves to the system, or the architects of this sandbox? In the act of excavating beauty from this frozen metal, we find our answer. The assembly is complete. The meaning is no longer hidden. Divine assembly. The universe becomes real the very moment you perceive it.